Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Nicolo. Before you forget, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. So ayan guys, for today's workout is high intensity workout tayo. Ito yung ginagamit pagka sumasali sa Hyrox or sa Spartan. So tara, samahan nyo ako. Let's go! Me again, Nicolo. So ayan, tapos na tayo mag-workout. Naka 50 burpees tayo at iba pa. Meron din deadhand. So ayan, yan yung mga ginagamit sa mga pag gusto mong mag-training ng Spartan o Hyrox. Pero pinaka-favorite ko is yung burpees. Yan, mga 50 reps every day. So ayan guys, see you again next time. So don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Nicolo, see you again next time. Bye.